Welcome to Brainetainment, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with well-researched, practical tips and insights aimed at enhancing your lifestyle. This platform is a treasure trove of valuable information, from diet and nutrition to exercise and mental health. Today, we're turning our focus to the windows of the soul, your eyes. We'll be exploring the powerful connection between your diet and your vision. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. Before we dive into the foods, let's understand why eye health is vital. Our eyes, these remarkable orbs, are our windows to the world. They empower us to absorb life's vibrancy and detail, from the grandeur of a sunset to the intricate patterns etched into a butterfly's wings. Yet they are susceptible to a multitude of common issues, many of which can significantly impair our ability to see. Cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, these are but a few conditions that can darken our visual canvas. Now, here's the good news. Our diet can play a significant role in maintaining our vision. Nutrient-dense foods supply the essential vitamins and minerals needed to keep our eyes functioning optimally. They can even help repair and protect our eyes from damage. Now that we understand the importance of eye health, we'll delve into the foods that can help us maintain it. Our first food on the list is a popular one: carrots. Let's delve into why carrots are often associated with good eyesight. The secret lies in their rich beta-carotene content. When consumed, our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vital nutrient known to maintain and improve vision. It's particularly beneficial for night vision, as it aids the eye in adjusting to light changes. So if your evening reads are getting a tad blurry, maybe it's time to snack on some carrots. So don't forget to include carrots in your diet for better eye health. Next up is spinach. This leafy green isn't just a favorite of cartoon sailors, it's packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two essential nutrients that are known to improve eye health. These antioxidants accumulate in the retina, acting as a natural sunblock and protecting against harmful blue light. They also help prevent age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some spinach. Spinach is not just for strength, but for sight too. Oranges, a citrus powerhouse, are our third food. Packed with a vital nutrient, vitamin C, oranges play a crucial role in eye health. This essential vitamin shields your eyes from harmful free radicals, thereby preventing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Not only that, but vitamin C also aids in the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to your cornea and sclera. So, if you're looking to fortify your eye's health, incorporate juicy oranges into your diet. Stay refreshed and vision strong with oranges. Almonds, a healthy snack, make it to our list. These delightful nuts are not only tasty but also packed with vitamin E, known for its eye health benefits. Regular consumption of almonds can help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, thanks to their antioxidant properties. In fact, vitamin E is linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. So, the next time you're in the mood for a quick snack, remember to reach for a handful of almonds. Snack on almonds for a vision boost. Fish, especially fatty ones, are excellent for eye health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, they play an instrumental role in maintaining your vision. These essential fats contribute to the health of the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye. They're also crucial in preventing dry eye syndrome, a common condition that affects many of us. Getting enough omega-3 can be a challenge, but incorporating fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines into your diet can make it easier. Fish, a delicious way to protect your eyes. Let's quickly go through the remaining 5 foods. First on our list is sweet potatoes. Not only are these root vegetables delicious, but they're also packed with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps to slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration. On top of that, they're also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. Moving on, we have bell peppers. These colorful veggies are a great source of vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for good eye health. They help to protect the eyes from harmful free radicals and reduce the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Next up are chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 acids are known to aid in visual development and retinal function. In addition, they contain antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by sunlight and aging. Eggs are another excellent food for eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are found in high concentrations in the macula of the eye. These antioxidants help to protect the eyes from harmful blue light exposure. Furthermore, eggs are a good source of vitamins A, D and B12, all of which are essential for maintaining good eye health. Last but not least, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. All berries are packed with antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which can help to prevent or delay eye damage. They're also high in fiber and can help to control blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Remember, our eyes are one of the most important organs in our body, and the foods we eat can have a significant impact on our eye health. From sweet potatoes to berries, each of these foods offers unique and essential nutrients that can help to protect your eyes and maintain your vision. Incorporate these foods into your diet to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. To recap, we've talked about 10 foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. We started with the ever-iconic carrots, rich in beta-carotene, converting into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for our eyes. Then we moved on to spinach, a green powerhouse filled with lutein and zeaxanthin that safeguards our eyes from harmful light. Next, we discussed the citrusy goodness of oranges, brimming with vitamin C, which can delay the development of macular degeneration and visual acuity loss. Almonds, packed with vitamin E, came next, defending our cells from unstable molecules that can damage healthy tissue. And finally, we dived into the sea with fish, a source of omega-3 fatty acids which are essential for visual development and retinal function. We also briefly touched upon other beneficial foods like bell peppers, chia seeds, turkey, sweet potatoes, and strawberries. Remember, your diet plays a significant role in maintaining your overall health, including your eyes, so let's eat our way to better vision. That's it for today's video on 10 foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. We hope you found this information valuable and take a step towards a healthier diet for improved eye health. Remember, a balanced diet is not only essential for your overall well-being, but also plays a pivotal role in maintaining your vision. So, why not start incorporating these eye-friendly foods into your meals? Don't forget to subscribe to Braintainment for more health and wellness videos. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.